Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best light-up Christmas tree is probably one of the most enchanting and festive additions to any holiday decor, bringing a touch of winter wonderland magic right into your home with its dazzling illumination and charming design, making it a perfect centerpiece for tables, mantels, or even as a delightful night light during the cozy Christmas season, promising to spread cheer and create lasting memories for you and your loved ones. Number 5. Prextex 23-inch Mini Christmas Tree with Lights. Bring instant holiday cheer to your desk or small spaces. This compact tree delivers classic festive charm in an easy-to-style design for any room. This complete mini set includes everything for a fully decorated display. You'll find ornaments, gift boxes, lights, and a star topper. Decorating is a breeze with this festive tree. Simply insert the stand, shape the branches, and hang the decor for quick setup. The included string lights cast a soft, warm white glow. It fills your space with cozy holiday charm, creating an inviting atmosphere. Use it as a tabletop decoration in apartments, dorms, or offices. It adds a cheerful holiday touch wherever you want indoor Christmas spirit. This 23-inch pre-lit tree is the perfect size for smaller areas. It brings all the magic of Christmas without taking up too much space. What we like? This one comes with everything you need for a fully decorated tree right out of the box. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add festive cheer to your desk or small space, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a classic Christmas look without the hassle of buying separate ornaments and lights. What people say. The tree is small and light up. It is a Christmas tree that lights up. Number 4. Liecho 24-inch Tabletop Christmas Tree. Introducing a charming 24-inch tabletop Christmas tree, designed to bring holiday cheer to any space. It's the perfect size for desks, mantels, or as a delightful accent in any room. This festive tree comes complete with 30 red berries, 20 colorful ball ornaments, and a shining golden star for the top. Everything you need for a beautiful display is right in the box. Two 3-meter LED light strings, one warm white and one colorful, illuminate the tree with 30 bulbs each. Easily powered by 3 AA batteries, you can choose from steady on, flashing, or off modes to set the perfect ambience. All ornaments are individually wrapped, allowing you to personalize your tree and create a look that's uniquely yours. It's a fun and engaging way to get into the holiday spirit. This delightful tree is not only a wonderful decoration but also an excellent gift choice for friends and family. Share the joy of the season with this thoughtful present. Upon arrival, simply arrange the branches and ornaments to achieve your desired look. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like? This option offers a fun, customizable decorating experience with 2 sets of lights, including a colorful option. If you enjoy personalizing your holiday decor and want the flexibility of battery operation, this is ideal. It's great for families or anyone who loves the hands-on aspect of decorating. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, adding a festive touch to any room. It's the perfect size for a small apartment or dorm room, doesn't take up much space. Easy to assemble, just plug it in and it lights up instantly. Number 3. National Tree Company 24 inches Majestic for a Mini Christmas Tree. Experience the natural, lifelike appeal of this artificial tree. With 71 individually crafted branch tips, it's as charming as the real thing. Enjoy simple setup and storage thanks to its convenient branches and pre-strung lights. It's designed for easy assembly and disassembly. Built to last for many holidays, this tree features a sturdy red base and 35 lights that stay lit even if one bulb burns out. Its needles are fire-resistant and non-allergenic for your safety. Standing 2 feet tall and 18 inches in diameter at its base, it's the ideal size for any room. Enjoy its lush and full form. Buy with confidence from a USA-based, family-owned business with 60 years of experience. Our customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or needs. What we like? This tree boasts a very natural and realistic appearance with its numerous tips and durable build. If you prioritize a lifelike look and long-lasting quality in your artificial Christmas tree, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who want a sophisticated and enduring holiday decoration. What people say. The tree is a good size for a small space. It lights up the room nicely. The lights are bright and colorful. Number 2. Puleo International 6-foot pre-lit artificial palm tree. Bring the feeling of a tropical getaway right to your home with this stunning pre-lit palm tree. It's designed to add a touch of paradise to any space. Enjoy a tropical ambience no matter the season. This artificial palm tree provides that exotic feel all year long, making any time the perfect time for a vacation vibe. Perfect for both your indoor living areas and outdoor spaces. It's an ideal addition to parties, patios, porches, backyards, and walkways, enhancing any setting. Crafted with durable materials including PVC, metal, and glass bulbs, it's built for longevity. The sturdy base ensures it stands tall and looks great wherever you place it. Standing at an impressive 6 feet tall, this tree makes a statement. Its size is perfect for creating a focal point and adding a grand tropical touch to your decor. What we like? This offers a unique tropical twist on holiday decor, suitable for year-round enjoyment. If you're looking to bring a bit of sunshine to your holidays or want a festive decoration that isn't a traditional Christmas tree, this is a great pick. It's perfect for patios, porches, or even as a fun indoor statement piece. What people say? The tree is very cute and the lights are bright. It's the perfect size for my desk and the lights are a nice warm color. I love that it has different light settings, it makes it more festive. Number 1. Mario Superstar Gen 2 Tree Topper. Add a touch of magic to your Christmas tree this year. This iconic star topper is sure to bring joy to your celebrations. Featuring the beloved superstar from the Mario universe, this topper is a must-have for any fan. It's designed to be the perfect centerpiece for your tree. This 7-inch topper shines brightly with energy-efficient LED lights. It provides a warm and festive glow, enhancing your holiday decor. Simply plug it into any standard wall outlet to bring it to life. No complicated assembly required, making setup a breeze. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed product. You're getting authentic quality and design straight from the source. Designed for indoor use, it's perfect for your living room, family room, or any indoor space you wish to decorate. What we like? This is a fun, officially licensed accessory for fans of a certain famous plumber. If you're looking to add a playful and iconic touch to the very top of your Christmas tree, this is a must-have. It's perfect for gamers or anyone who wants a unique and recognizable tree topper. What people say? The tree lights up and has a nice glow. It's a small tree, perfect for a desk or small space. The lights are bright and colorful, adding a festive touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.